Welcome to Best RV channel. This is Nala Mari from Best RV in Tola, California. Today, what is behind me is the true R-Pod troubleshooter. This is the one that has the oval shape. A lot of the R-Pod right now, they come into the square look, okay? Except they kept this models to keep it the heritage and the classic look of R-Pod from day one. When the R-Pod troubleshooters came into the market, they used to have the oval shape. This model is RP, which is mean R-Pod 171. It's a brand new 2025 four-silver R-Pod 171. It's very well nice oval shape, so you could see the oval in the front as well the oval in the rear. It has the classic look, nice dinette in the front, and a full bed in the back with a bathroom in the center. Across from the bathroom is the kitchen. Now, let me show you the new features the four-silver R-Pod they offering on the 2025 model. Number one, they start giving you a nice window in the front, and this window is open. So you could open up and get the fresh air inside, as well the look. Before, it used to be a small window and fixed. Electric tongue jack on the front, our propane tank with a cover. Battery disconnect switch, the red knob over there, that's a battery disconnection. I could put 1 to 2 batteries in the front. LP quick connect, so if I have outdoor barbecue, I could set it up here and plug it in right there. It has the glass door, as you see. That's the nicer door they offer. It has the TST monitoring. I love this where they put the tires off the trailers. So you could see these trailers when you pull behind your car. You don't need to have extension mirrors because the trailer is in the width of the car and the tires is outside the trailer. Solid metal versus plastic with LED light. Nice gold rim, off-road tires, TST tire monitoring. And then you have the outside shower, hot and cold. Plug here for your Margarita Max or TV. And then you have the slam luggage door. And you could see whole bed is underneath is a storage. You have a lighting switch in the front and the back. And then also you have two scare lights. This is the awning you can set up here, come with it. And then as you see here, we have the nice spare tires and a cover. I like this back. It's like it kick the rain of the trailer, so they could come on the side rather just in the center. And it has the 3 LED light, 4 stabilizer jack, 2 in the back, 2 in the front, and another access for the storage storage compartment. It's aluminum frame, you could tell. Endless hot water heater, it's included. That's another extra advantage on the 25. Solid metal wheel fender, black tank flush, cable hookup, 50 amp plug. And then I really like this one is they give you a light sensor, so when you come close to here, lit up at night, so you see what you're doing in the black water and the gray water. And then you can see this is the gray water valve. City water, fresh water connection for the water tank, as well city water connections. So I could fill the water tank or I could do direct. This is the exhaust fan of the furnace. So this is the R-Pod 171 with the oval shape. Now I want to show you the inside about the R-Pod 175. Now, before we walk in, I want to indicate 3 items. They come already with the solar panel, and yeah, as you see, you can see the solar panel is right here. That's in the front. The solar panel come with it. It's right there. And then this is Azdel fiberglass, which is a big deal. It gives you more installations and eliminate the delamination of the unit. So that's the R-Pod 171. Now the nice thing about this one, it has extra big options where the big trailer they have. Number one, as we said, is the window in the front. If I do this, I could open the window in the front, so I could get a nice screen if I want, or I could shove the screen. I have open, and then if I want to open it, I take the slash this here. And then I could open it and tie it to any position I want. So this is what nice about the 25-171 is they give you a window open in the front, and it has clear shades, I mean black shade, complete shade, or you could have just a screen, or you could bring both at the bottom. So that's one major features on the ARPA 171 for the 25 is the window on the front with the shade and it's open window. Bigger dinette, you see, I could sit easy for people here. Come with a TV on the swing arm, and this TV run off 12 volts. You could see the red light, so that I could watch this TV off the battery, and I don't have to run a generators or plugged into offshore to watch the TV. Now, I wish the cameraman come and show these, because this unit has enclosed underbelly, and it has those three switches, which is a heated holding tank system, which is heat pad on the tank. You turn that switch on for the extreme weather, so the tank will not freeze up on you and the plumbing does not freeze up on you, and you have warm water in the tanks and the plumbing in the extreme weather. Again, this feature you're not going to find in the other units in the small size. Now, for that size, I could not believe they give you a vacuum machine. You could get your dust here and sweep it, and then you have a central vac. Convection oven microwave. Okay, 2-burner range. And they give you the oval sink with the storage underneath, as well big storage in the top. You could see the nice LED lights, very bright. And then coming over here, so you have a shelf. They give you the Evershield fridge and freezer. You can see it's getting cold. And then you have a full bed here where you can lay down and no problem. Again, all the windows, shade, wind circulations. You have a place for TV. You could put one right there. I like the oval shape. Storage underneath the bed, and you could access from inside and outside. Air conditioned. And then they give you this one also. It's a slick thing. Let me show you. It's a hanging clothes. So if you want to hang clothes, it's a rod to hang more clothes when you're traveling. Also, that's a nice slick. And then you have the bathroom. You can see it is full sink. I could wash my hand. A fantastic fan. I could sit on the toilet, do my business. Same thing, I could take a shower and come with curtains. When I close this door, zero water going outside. The beauty about this one also, why people did like the 171, is so ultra light, so you could pull it with a V6 vehicle. So that's why people would love the 171. So you get all the same amenities as the travel trailer, but you could pull it with a small vehicle. And the drive of this unit, if the cameraman allow me, it's only weight 2638. So 2638 pounds. So if you have a vehicle where you have towing capacity 3500, this is a perfect for you. If you have a vehicle 45, 4000, 35, you could pull the 171 and you still have the same amenities as the travel trailer, so contained, and you could still pull it with your vehicle, no problem. And plus the price, I mean, we make it so affordable for you, and we are very well known. We sell for less. No one will touch our price, and no hidden fees. It's ready to go. Most important thing, it's only 2600 pounds. You could pull it, no question asked, and we have it for a price no one could match.